The frequency of complete drainage depends on a number of variables, including the amount of use, attention paid to water quality, and bather loads. You will know it's time for a change of water when you cannot control foaming, or you can no longer get the normal feel or sparkle to the water, even though the key water balance measurements are all within the recommended parameters. You should drain your spa approximately every 3 to 4 months, depending on usage, or when your spa water becomes unmanageable with the addition of chemicals. Your spa has a recessed external drain valve, usually located on the outside of the cabinet. This has been designed as the most practical and easiest way to empty your spa pool. The method of operation is as follows. Isolate power at circuit breaker. Remove the center cap on the drain and connect the supplied garden hose adapter. Connect the garden hose and direct water to a suitable location. Turn the lock nut anti-clockwise and pull out. Allow the water to drain from the spa pool. It's a good idea to let the spa drain overnight. Use a bucket and sponge to remove any remaining water from seats, footwell of the spa. After draining, remember to turn the drain valve off. Replace the cap ready for the spa to be refilled. Note: if draining for winter and the spa is going to be left empty for periods of time, loosen barrel unions to pump to remove all water from the plumbing system. Retighten once all the water is removed. Make sure the hard cover is put back over the spa, as continuous sunlight can damage the acrylic shell. Damage from UV or sunlight is not covered by warranty. When draining of your in-ground spa is required, you will require the use of a pump to remove the water. It is important to always have water in an in-ground spa, as in certain conditions the spa may pop out of its fixed position if not filled with water.